In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, select this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now just click on your photos right away in order to add them. Or select Gallery section, pick them from here and click on Add at the top right corner. You can also select Gallery, then click on Folders and look for your photo in Recent Files by tapping on Images at the top. Access one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to open one of those sources, in my case, Downloads. After locating a photo that you wish to add, you need to hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to add it. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!